Lesson 3, Unit 2. Scope information. The first module of any project management information system should be the project scope. The information includes the general project information, including information on objectives. Project scope is information on activities and deliverables. As the central module of a PMIS, it defines the relationships among the other modules. General information includes the basic information of the project, such as the project name, the acronym, the number, country, the project type, and the start and end of the date of the project. Additional general information include the name of the project manager, the main objectives of the project, information about the project donor or donors. It also includes a description of the project beneficiaries and the estimated number of direct beneficiaries, a small list of the key stakeholders, which can include partners, the total project budget, and the estimate dates for the project evaluations. This information is set up at the beginning of the project and requires little or no changes. It provides a high-level information about the project to all the stakeholders. The project scope is also a description of all the work of the project. One way to present this information is with the use of a work breakdown structure, or WBS. The WBS is a deliverable-oriented hierarchical decomposition of the work, listing all the work of the project to accomplish the project objectives. It organizes and defines the total scope of the project. Each descending level represents an increasingly detailed definition of the project work. In a PMIS, it is used to organize all the activities of the project in a logical grouping structure that links the project goal with the project outcomes and each outcome with a project outputs and its related activities. The example shows a diagram of a WBS. The top level is the project goal. On the second level are the project outcomes. The third level groups the project outcomes and contains all the project activities at the fourth level. The WBS builds the relationship among all elements of the project. The structure is built following a direct relationship between the expected final goals down to all the planned activities of the project. The information should include detailed descriptions of each level and the indicators of achievement selected by the project to measure progress. Most information used to create the WBS comes from the logical framework matrix. The project goal is a description of the objectives the project aims to achieve in the long term. For example, by June of 2010, 5,000 project beneficiaries will reduce diarrhea infections by 90%. Additional information at this level may include the risk that may have a negative impact on the project, and some information on the dependencies of this goal to other projects or actions taken by the organization or other entities with the same group of beneficiaries. Project outcomes are the effects of the project outputs. This information includes assumptions or the factors necessary to contribute to the achievement of the outcome. The assumptions or conditions necessary for the achievement of the outcomes. These are the factors that are outside the control of the project. The risks that might jeopardize the achievement of the outcome. The constraints to achieve the project outcomes, and any dependencies of this outcome with other outputs, projects, or actions taken by the organization or other entities with the same group of beneficiaries. Outputs are the direct results of the project activities. This information can include assumptions or factors necessary to contribute to the achievement of the output, the risk associated with achieving the project outputs, and the project constraints and any internal or external dependencies. Activities are the work the project team will do to deliver the planned outputs. This information includes the factors necessary to contribute to the achievement of the activity. These are the risks, constraints, and any dependencies with other activities, tasks, or actions. Additional information includes the name of the person responsible for delivering the activity, the names of the people that will provide support to the activity, which may include consultants, vendors, or partners, and a list of the required materials, equipment, or tools needed by the activity.